Hi guys, Kiza Baric here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name quickly and easily. But before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin. Obviously, first thing you need to do is you need to log into your YouTube channel. When you do that, on upper right corner, click on your channel profile image. Drop down menu will open and click on Settings. Here on middle of the screen, click on Edit on Google. New window will open and simply go here and type the desired name. Let's say TechRel. Click OK and that's it. You change your YouTube channel name. I have to say that sometimes it takes few minutes for this change to appear. Also, this change doesn't affect your YouTube channel URL. In one of the future videos I will show you how to change your YouTube channel URL. Anyway, that is how you change your YouTube channel name. I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.